Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So finally, Pomelli has been released in India. So all the people who stay in India can finally use Pomelli for themselves. So this AI website is created by Google Lab, and you must have already know that Google Labs create state-of-the-art AI apps and websites for us, and it's completely for free. So let's finally dive deep into Pomelli and what it does for us. So let's get started. So welcome to Pomelli, and you can easily generate on brand social media campaigns for yourself. So you can generate a business DNA, then get some marketing campaign ideas, and then generate creatives. So the main purpose of Pomeli is to create amazing marketing campaigns for you. Imagine if you are just a startup, or imagine if you are just a person who is leading a business alone, and thus as you are leading the business alone, you might need some marketing campaigns or some people who are expert in marketing. Here you can use Pomeli, and you don't need a main marketing manager or a person who is in marketing, because Pomeli does everything for you. You don't need any person who is specialized in marketing. So you can create amazing marketing campaigns, advertisements, everything related to marketing using Pomeli. So I'll just show you a basic workflow of how it works, and then if you want to use it for your own business, if you want to use it for your own startup, and you can use this completely for free. So let's go enter your website. Now I will give a website. Okay, let's give a website in gaming peripherals, which is popular in India. Its name is Creo, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So let's try to create marketing campaigns for this website. Let's click on let's go, and let's give a website. Okay, now it's creating a business DNA. Amazing. Now this looks like amazing images and business DNA. And now that I've given a website as an example, it has created amazing images from the website itself. It has sourced a lot of images from the website. Nice colors relating to the website itself, fonts, and go beyond limits as a tagline. Now let's click on looks good, and let's see how it does. Let's click on suggest some ideas, and let's see some campaign ideas it creates. These are also some good campaigns created based on the business DNA. This is for a gaming chair made by the website itself called as Creo. This is a keyboard over here, mechanical keyboard. So there are amazing campaigns created already, and it looks good. The images also look aesthetically pleasing. So I would say Pomili is doing a good job at creating amazing screenshots, advertisements, and marketing campaigns, as you can see over here, which is really good. Let's go for this one. Will go faster than thought. So it advertises a 49-gram ultra light wireless mouse for competitive reaction times. Let's click on this one. Now let's see what marketing campaigns does it create. Wow, look at this image. It's so amazing. You can just download this, click on here, download it for yourself, and then just post it on Instagram. You can post this on Instagram, you can post this on YouTube, you can just post this anywhere you want to post. And it really looks like an advertisement, which is really amazing and aesthetically pleasing to look at. Like, look at this, look at the colors. There is a combination over here which looks good. You can also see the mouse has been advertised as 49 grams and everything. The tagline is also good. It's really doing a good job. It's really doing a good job. Then there are the rest of these three advertisements, which also looks good. This one also looks amazing. Look at this image. Wow, it's really amazing. State the dead weight. Then zero drag wireless freedom, leveraged by elite players for micro adjustment and high stakes rank dominance. Pro grade of competitive edge. Wow, it's really amazing. Let's try to animate one, and let's see if it does animate or not. So okay, so it has animated this. Let's look at it. Wow. Wow, it really looks so nice. Look at this. The feather is also moving. There is some lighting on the mouse which is flickering. Wow. So it created a complete video on the marketing campaign it created before. Just look at this. It's amazing. It converted this whole image into a video and it's amazing. Wow. So yeah, this is how you can use Pomeli. First, you have to give a website. Then it will create your own business DNA, and based on your business DNA, you can create campaigns over here. You can write your own campaign which you want to make. You can write it in your own words, or else if you don't have anything, you can just click on suggest ideas, and it shows you some campaigns. You can also add a link of your product from your own website and then click on suggest areas or just write your campaign. Then you can also include your images if you want to. And also you can change the aspect ratio based on your preferences. So I'll show you the last feature here on Pomeli, which is Photoshoot, where you can select the image and it creates amazing marketing images for you, which you can then post on YouTube. Then you can post it on Instagram or anything you want, like wherever you want. So let's go with this one. It looks good. Now it now it will create some Photoshop templates. Okay, let's click on create Photoshop. Okay, so this is how it created some Photoshop images for us. So this is how it created some Photoshop images for us, and it looks good. This one is really good. This one looks okay, but yeah, this one is also good, but this one is one of the best, and then second one is this one. And yeah, you can just download this image and post it wherever you want as an advertisement. So it looks good. So good. So this is how you can create images which you can advertise. You can just insert your product image and it will create amazing photo shoots for you. So yeah, this is how it works. This is how Pomeli works. If you have seen this whole video, you must have came to recognize that it's really easy to use Pomeli. It's just few clicks and AI does everything for you. It creates your own business DNA, and based on your business DNA, it creates marketing campaigns, and based on your product images, it creates photo shoot. So I feel like Pomeli is a whole marketing manager person for you, which it does everything completely for free. It is your own personalized marketing manager. You can create amazing marketing campaigns using this website. So give it a try. It's amazing. And thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot.